She is deep asleep.
This will be perfect for my project. So smooth and warm. Almost done with my new shoes. I look absolutely fabulous.
What happened to my beautiful fur? Is that my hair on your feet? You need a serious cleaning.
Help me! It's a rat!
Honey, I'm home with the groceries.
Oh no! What did she do to you?
Hold on, little one! We're almost at the hospital!
Look, Dad, it was her. She put me in there.
Get out! And don't ever come back!